Hello, I'm Curtis Dykstra, Parks Naturalist with the Ottawa County Parks Nature Center at Hemlock Crossing County Park. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going on a virtual bird walk here at Maplewood Park in Georgetown Township. During the coronavirus stay-at-home order, we are all going a bit stir-crazy, feeling isolated and anxious. But know that the order provides exceptions for leaving your home that include doing so to get exercise and to recreate. Just remember to maintain proper social distancing protocols by remaining 6 feet apart from others and not congregating at any one location. So while we can't go birding together right now, I thought that I could share my own birding experiences with you in hopes that it encourages you to get out and enjoy the birds yourselves. I'm currently looking at a flock of over 100 mergansers out here on Maplewood Lake. There are over 80 red-breasted mergansers and at least 14 common mergansers. You may want to know, how do you tell them apart? Well, first of all, the males. Common merganser has a solid green, really dark green head, and it sometimes looks black. The body is white. They are also larger than the male red-breasted mergansers, which also have a dark green head, but the feathers on the back of the head kind of stick out like he's got a bad hairdo. He also has a rusty red breast on the front and more dark colors along the flanks. The females are much more similar to each other. The common merganser female is gray in the body with a red head. A little bit of flare on the feathers on the back of the head, but look for the white chin patch. The female red-breasted merganser, on the other hand, is a little smaller, although still has a gray body and a rusty red head. It has more flare on the back of the head with the feathers and does not have that white chin patch.
These male red-breasted mergansers are in courtship display competition, vying for the attention of this obviously distressed female. Courtship occurs during migration, but these birds won't nest until they reach areas further north in Michigan.
Here, a killdeer caught my attention as it flew way high up above. Early in spring, when they're migrating, you can often hear them any place when you're outside. Here's a killdeer foraging on the ground. Just tune your ears to hear their call, and maybe you'll hear one too, even over your own yard. Other waterfowl that we saw today on the lake includes mallards and this male bufflehead. Here comes a migratory flock of 14 Canada geese flying over the lake. We're looking at a song sparrow up here in this tree, and if you listen closely, you can hear him give his little chimp call. There's a lot of them singing along the edges of the lake here today, too.
I've got a great blue heron flying over. That's the second one of the day.
There's a few robins foraging in the grass along the trail. You're looking at a red-winged blackbird male singing from the cattails along the edge of the lake. This red-winged blackbird looks to be a first-year male. Notice the rusty fringing on the feathers. Another exciting find today is a first of spring common loon. He's not here to nest, but rather as a resting spot in migration on his way north.
Another exciting first of spring arrival during my walk were 2 tree swallows swooping over the lake. Here's an American tree sparrow to round out the birds of our walk. They are winter residents in our area and getting ready to head out by mid to late April. If you listen carefully, you may hear them singing as they warm up for nesting further north.
Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you've enjoyed joining me on today's virtual birding walk here at Maplewood Park. Now I encourage you to get out to enjoy the birds yourselves. Just remember to practice proper social distancing during this stay-at-home order. You can visit a local park or natural area, or even just get outside in your own yard. A list of all 40 county park properties can be found at miottawa.org/parks. You can also visit us on Facebook and Instagram. Just search for Ottawa County Parks. Come join us again soon, and don't forget to share this video with a friend.